Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Well, as you saw in the thumbnail picture, I got a problem. My intentions was to take the old Rochester carburetor off of the Caballero, rebuild it, and put it in that Corvette. All the research I saw, 79 Rochester is the same as the 77 Rochester, blah, blah, that they put on the Corvette. So I was just going to rebuild this one and put it in. Well, you can see all the corrosion there. We've got a spring broken there. That's what's left of the accelerator pump. And I drove that vehicle in, as you saw in my last video. I was still just scratching my head how that thing even ran. But I did a scope inside the cylinders, but when I took it off, I noticed something. I want you to look down inside there. That does not look right. So what I want to do is I want to take my new bore scope that was sent to me by OneTigris, and we're going to go in there and check it out. And this is it right here. So give me a minute, we'll set up and I'll unpackage this thing and show you what this is all about. Then we'll go look at that. All right, everybody, the OneTigris digital bore scope. They reached out to me on this thing, and I agreed to do it for one main reason. This thing is extremely affordable. At just $60, this thing here, you get a good picture, you get the ability to save it. Comes with a chip, memory card, comes with your charging cable. And as you can see here, let's see, turn it on. It's got a fairly good size screen. You can record with it. You got your light adjustment. You got your camera. Oh, need to insert the SD card. But the cord winds up on the back, just like this. You can see. Let me get up here. So we're going to use this to go down in that block, see what we can see. And one other thing I like about this one over some of the others I've seen, this is very, very small. You can see that compared to my little finger. And you can, you got your light adjustment here. You do several modes on the light. We'll get over here and we'll get down in there and we will check it out. Okay. This one here, I found out, is actually a dual camera too. Let's see if I can get y'all in there a little bit closer to that screen. There you go. And we're going to go in here and see what we can find out about this gunk. Gotta turn that just a little bit. Ooh, that looks mighty nasty down in there, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. Is that old gasoline? Wow. I want to flick over to that other camera. See if we can get a side view. There's looking down the port. See if we can get a little better look. Don't look too bad going down that way. Okay. Whew. Switch back to the other way. It just goes a little ways down in there. Switch to the other camera. There's the port. That don't look too bad. Okay. I think we'll be alright. See how much gunk we got down in the... Switch that back to where it was. Oh, thermostat area looks clean, doesn't it? Okay. There's inside the water pump. Alrighty. I think we'll be okay. That makes me feel a little better. Alright, I want to tell you a little bit about this scope. I'm feeling a little better. I think that gunk I was seeing in there was just the varnish from that old gas that was in that thing. It still boggles my mind how that thing ran. But anyways, this thing is capable of photo and video. Push just one click, that'll take a photo, hold it down, it'll start the video. You have to have this in it though for that to work. It comes with this. So get a 32 megabyte. Is it megabyte or gigabyte? Pretty sure that's gigabyte nowadays. I think that is gig. Okay. But you got a 4.5-inch color screen, real-time viewing. 1080p is what it records in. It's got a high sensitivity waterproof lens, dual lens. And you can see right here on the side, that's the light, and there's the lens. So when we was in that intake, when I switched, turned off this one and turned this one on. That way, we'll do that right real quick. Yep. There it goes. But that's a really neat feature, especially when you're down in places like that. Your focal length is 3 centimeters to 10 centimeters. I'll be able to talk one day, but that is how far away you can be from something for it to be focused. 3 to 10 centimeter. Auxiliary light source, 6 adjustable LED lights, and it's got, 3 on the side, 3 on the front. Plus, it's also got you a work light. See, IP67 waterproof, and of course, the card for the file. But it's a neat little deal. Good picture on it. I mean, Very nice picture. Of course, you know, when you're recording another screen, it never does look right. But hopefully you can see what I was seeing down in that intake. But that is a nice little camera for the money. All right, everybody. Well, that's it on the OneTigris Endoscope. I'm glad I had that to check out that motor, because I feel better now, because that gunk just went a little ways and it didn't get on down into the valves. So that's what I was really worried about. I'm thinking about putting an aluminum intake on that when I put it in the project car. I almost gave it away, but y'all probably know what that is already. I do want to give this to somebody. So why don't y'all, if you want this product, send me a message on this video. Send me a comment with your email, and I will contact one of you, and I will announce the winner on a video next week. That way, I just think that'll be a lot easier. Just send me a comment, tell me what you'd use it for, and we'll send it to one of y'all. $60 tool. It works great. I like that. But anyways, thank y'all so much. OneTigris, thank you for sending that to me, and we will see you next time in Santa's Workshop.